Hello. It's July 12th, and I weigh 175 pounds. I've lost 49 pounds. My next goal is 1 pound away. And I have 21 pounds before I can eat anything, well, within reason. And 45 pounds in total to go, which doesn't make sense. It's been 5 weeks and 3 days since my surgery. I still have a huge double chin. I'm beginning to wonder if that's ever going to go away. 52% done. So I have 45 pounds to go, which would bring me to 135. No, 130, which I remember being once for about 5 minutes, maybe when I was 19, 20, something like that. So, I guess I'm moving forward. I'm tired. I just don't have any energy, and I think it's maybe because I'm losing weight so quick, or I don't know. I bought some protein bars today. What did I eat today? Actually, 1 piece of shrimp, so I wonder why I'm tired. Having trouble drinking because I don't like the iced teas, and just like water, and water still is a hard thing on my stomach. But I don't know, that's about all I know. I'd like to get rid of this silly double chin of mine, which is still quite there. Anyway, that's about it for now. Everything else is going okay. I need some energy back. Bye.